Wala nila, distance. Okay? Tama ba? Yan o. Kasi isang ruler. Mga hanggang dito yan. Okay, isang ruler. Okay? So, 8. So, that's a comfortable step. Right? Not too much effort that the patient needs to put in. Okay? But comfortable. Still enough for the patient to balance. Okay? But in order for you to check the balance too, right? Okay, although this is not part of our assessment, okay, there are other ways to examine the balance. It's important that the patient can balance before testing this. No, kasi kung hindi, ano mayayari? Yeah, pwedeng mag-buckle yung knee, okay, pwedeng mahulog, no? Naka-standby ka nga, ay, sorry po, hindi ko kayo nasalo. So, kailangan nakaalalay. Okay? So, how would you know if the patient can at least shift the weight? Kaya niyo po ba ito? Patugtog kayo, sige, para merong balance, no? Okay? Mag-weight pa doon sa taas para kung kaya nga i-balance. Okay? So, why weight shifting is important? Because you have to make sure that the patient shifted the weight to the stance leg before stepping. Okay? Para alam mo, secure siya. Naintindihan? Okay? So that's how. Not putting the weight to the other leg yet. Okay? Hindi yung ganun. Okay naman. If the patient can assume weight shifting before lifting, then weight shift again onto stepping. Okay, pwede yun. Pero kung makikita mo, takot yung pasyente, this little detail can tell you a lot. Right? Oh, ba't walang weight shifting sa harap? Okay, baka tulog ka. Baka makatulog ka. Ay, sige. Okay. So that's how you look whether the patient is doing this or that. But it has nothing to do with our assessment. Kasi ang assessment natin is reflection. If the patient can lift, put foot forward, that's it. Okay? But also not to forget the things I mentioned. Okay? The next, the functional test should be repeated at least 6 times to give the grade of functional. Okay, so kaya niyo po ba? 1, 2, 3, or medyo nag-shift na siya. 4, 5, 6, kaya ba niya? Sige ba? Okay, hayaan mo na. 7, okay, basta ang grade mo functional. Right? Okay, if it's less than that, 3 to 4, they have fair. 1 to 2, poor, and non-functional, cannot even lift. Okay, natatakot siya. Maski humawak siya, okay, pag di pa rin niya kaya, that means the infection is graded what? 0. Hindi naman. Pwede, or 2. Pwede between 1 or 2. No? Kasi yung 2 pwede horizontal. Okay, movement. Hindi niya kaya yung against gravity. Okay, so pwede siyang 2. Right? Next, number 2. Hip extension. Okay, sit in a chair and return to standing. Okay, so not walking backward. Okay, to test the sitting position at the extension. But from standing, nung nakalagay dito, hip extension, sit in a chair. Okay, so from standing, sit. Then stand. Okay. Now there will be variations, of course, if the patient has muscle weakness. Okay. See if the patient is sitting this way. Pabagsak. Ibig sabihin, mahina yung quads. Okay. Pero quads kasi hindi naman natin yung ina-assess natin eh. Okay. But at least you can tell, okay, which muscles are affected. Okay? If that's the way how they sit. And then how they stand, make sure that the patient is sitting on the edge. Okay? Both feet nandito. Nandito. Lalo na yung functional. Okay? Kung ito yung affected, ito dapat nandito yan. Okay? To assume standing position. It's easier. It's a lot easier. Kaya kung nakaganyan pa siya, mahirap. Okay? Lalo na if this is independent standing, no? Okay, you're assisting, or later on you'll see the use of Gordon, okay, for exercise, and this is just a functional test. No? So no assist, because you wanted to see if the patient can assume standing position, right? Consider. So, okay, pwedeng naka-extend ang kamay, pwedeng basta nakuha niya ang kamay. Okay, wala naman sinabi dito kailangan nakaganito, ganyan. Kailangan hindi. Okay? So if the patient can do that, 5 to 6, the same with hip flexion, that's functional. Then 3 to 4, okay, functional fair. Then 1 to 2, functional poor. And then 0 for non-functional. Okay, hindi siya makabalik. Okay. The next, standing, hip abductors, lift leg to the articular surface balance. Surface balance on one leg with keeping the pelvis level. So what does that mean? You have to make sure that the patient's pelvis is level, because the patient might be compensating. Okay, abduction. This is what we're testing. If the patient can assume, okay, hip abduction. No? Paano yan? Okay, kasi kung ganito ang itsura niya, that's compensation. That's a tori. Body listing ang tawag dito. Listing. Okay, listing to one side. This, right? Okay, so that's compensatory. So what the patient can do is shift weight. Again, we do that, shift weight, and then perform abduction. Okay yun. As long as the hip is, or the pelvis is level. Okay? Not to the point na mag-tilt pa siya. No need. Basta ang importante, ma-lift off the floor. Okay? It doesn't say here, doesn't tell us that it has to be like 12 inches, no, above the floor. Walang sinabi ganun. Okay? As long as the patient can lift and hold 1 to 15 minutes. 1.5. 15 minutes ang tagal. 1 to 1.5 minutes can hold. Okay, so pwede nakaganyan siya. Right, for 60 seconds or more, okay, then the patient is functional. So if it's less than that, okay, you have 30 seconds, 30 to 59 seconds, functional fair. If it's less than that, okay, of course, that's functional poor. Then if the patient cannot, then that's non-functional. Okay? Pangatlo na ba yun?
Yes.
Pangatlo na. Next, if a doctors walk sideways 6 minutes. If I'm doing this, if I ask the patient to do this, which side am I testing?
Right.
Sabi nyo. May nagsasabi po. Ano?
Right.
Okay, yes. Right. Kasi nag-abduct ka dito, eto, ano? Okay? Right? So, this is what you're testing. Ano kung ano yung naiiwan. Okay, so, I'm going to test my left adductors. I'm going to the right side. Okay? And this will happen for, doesn't need to be fast. Because it has to happen for what? 6 minutes. Tagal, no? 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Okay, basta diretso lang po. No? Kita po tayo dun sa ano. Pwede yun. Umikot na lang. No? If it's a clinic, yan, center. You need a big space for hip, no, functional test. Okay, next. Okay na tayo dun? So we've done flexion, done extension, okay, by sitting, then standing again, and then hip abductors, okay, and hip adductors walking sideways. Okay, next, 6 to 8 minutes is functional. 6 to 8, then 4 to 5 would be, or 3 to 6. Ito ang ano dito eh. 16 kasi. Diba? Parang may mali. Eh kung nag 6 minutes nga siya, alin siya doon? No? 6 minutes and 1 second.
Function.
Ano kaya yun? Maski ano,
Super
kasi
functional.
basta pumatak na ng 6 minutes, pwede siyang fair or, di ba? Or functional. Sino bang gumawa nito? Tawagan ko. Baka sumagot. O si Palmer na to. O si Epler. 1990 pa, ilang taon na yun? 57 years.
Hindi pa kami buhay.
Ano sabi?
Asin? Asin na AJ?
Dito?
Baliktad. Baliktad.
Sure ka?
Baliktad. Unang meters. Binago ng minutes.
Ma? O, yun lang ang ano ko. Yun lang ang concern ko dito. Kasi
That's ang
iba,
problema.
hindi overlapping. Right? Okay? Sige, so 1 to 3 minutes, functional 4, then 0 minutes, non-functional. Okay, so my issue here is the 6 minutes. Okay? Kung ano, kung nasa 6 minutes siya, so ano kung patigil na siya, sabi mo, go, go pa, go, go! Or mag-7 man lang siya, di ba? So, wala kang dilemma. Okay, ano siya. Okay, functional siya. Okay, next. Hip internal rotation. Test leg off the floor. May hold on to object for balance if necessary. Internally rotate not with the hip. Somebody asked me, di ba daw nakaka-apekto yung pag-hawak? Okay, that's okay if you're only
Kiniksuran pa talaga.
protecting yourself from falling. Okay, balance is not the issue here. Okay, what is the issue here is if the patient can assume or perform internal rotation. Nakuha? Okay, so lift, then internal rotation. Yan na, point inward. That's it. For how many reps?
12.
Okay, 10 to 12, functional. So, walang ano dito, walang overlapping. 5 to 9 is fair. Then 1 to 4 is poor. Then 0, non-functional. Again, that's just it. Okay? No? Lift, then point inward. Okay, for external, not really sure why holding on. Ay, hindi pa pala dito. Okay, saan pala yun? In external rotation, so just the same, okay? The same lang, even with the grading. So lift, then point forward, outside. Point outside, foot outside. That's it. Then 10 to 12, okay? Functional, okay? Then same grading. Right, so that's for the hip. Okay na? Okay, so all the movements, no, all 3 things were conducted here. Now for lefts, okay, you know what lefts? Lefts is, yung tawag dito. Okay, lower extremity functional scale. Kasama yan dyan? Lower extremity functional scale. Lefts. Lefts ang tawag. LEFS lang. Kita nyo? Wala. Nasa PowerPoint daw yan. Okay, lefts. Meron kayong rights? Hindi, wala yun. Kasi left lang meron. Wala right.
Napaisip
Okay,
sila.
so lefts lang, lower extremity functional scale. I'm not really sure what to do with this, no? Because this is an interview. Okay, this scale is interview. Nakita niyo ba? Okay, yan yung checklist. Ayan o. Check lang. Okay, if you don't have a copy. Okay. I-check lang siya. Diba? Okay, kita niyo ang gano'n kayo? Ito yung lefts.
Laps.
Lower extremity functional scale. Quite important, no? Quite important. This comes out in the examination. So, alam niyo rin. Okay, and its use. So, if was this mentioned in lecture?
Hindi po.
No? Okay. So ano to? There's a minimum level of detectable change at 90% confidence. Okay, this is to know whether a patient is having any difficulty with activities. Okay, and the following activities, you're not going to ask to demonstrate. Okay, kasi ang daming ito, no? So, eto, basahin ko lang. Any of your usual work, housework, or school activities. Any difficulty with that? No? So, merely subjective, right? Because the patient will report whether it's extreme difficulty, unable to perform, or quite a bit difficulty, moderate difficulty, a little bit of difficulty, and no difficulty. Nakuha? Kas? No? So sasabihin lang, hirap na hirap ka ba? Halos di mo na magawa? Or mahirap talaga? Or mahirap ba? Or paano kayo sa Tagalog eh? Or medyo mahirap? Konting hirap? Parang ganyan. No? Or walang kahirap-hirap? Ganyan. No? Yung level of difficulty. Okay? So the patient will just tell you, okay, from grading of 0 to 4. Okay, so ano pa yan? Your usual hobbies, yan, recreational sporting activities. Okay, sporting activities, no? So, isa pa to. I think I have a concern here. What if the patient has or participates in an extreme sport? Kasi yung sport lang niya, ano? Chess. Sport like chess. Well, walang kinalaman, sitting lang yun, di ba? So, yung mild difficulty dito, baka moderate sa kabila. So, that's what I'm saying. The scale may be subjective, right? Depende sa pasyente. But this is reported by the patient, according to the patient, then check it. Okay, as long as you explain it well. Okay? Now, getting into out of the bath. Parang ano eh, parang bathtub. No? Okay? Pumapasok ka pa sa CR, pumapasok mo lang kung paano ka pumasok ng pinto ulit. No? Ganun eh. Okay? Bath is, I think this refers to the bathtub. Okay? May bathtub po ba kayo? Ay, wala. Bonita. Sige ba, meron din naman uso dito, di ba? Okay, walking between rooms. Okay, walking between rooms, pwede across the hall. Okay, ganun. Putting on your shoes or socks. Meron ba dyan ano? Well, kung meron dyan yung number of or degrees of hip flexion. Ngayon, you're going to tie your shoes. Ilang degrees of hip flexion yan?
90. Charis.
Sir, 0 kasi may tagatali ng sintas.
Ay.
Ganun?
Maya.
Okay? This is just 120. 120 kasi. Di ba? Anong tali? Kung di man yan,
Mali ka, Teya.
maximum. Right? No? So, wala ba sa PowerPoint? Parang may nagsabi sa akin dati daw. If not, then it can be found in MSAE. Can you man? Nandun yung list of activities and how many degrees of inflection is needed to perform different tasks. Okay? Paki-check kasi minsan tinatanong yan, ilang degrees, ilang degrees para mag-perform ng squat, ng tying of shoes, ng ascending stairs, akit ka na hanggang, ilang degrees. Okay? So please check. It's not part of our coverage here. But anyway, squatting ayan. Lifting an object, performing light activities around your home, performing heavy activities around your home. Ano ba yung light sa heavy? Okay? Parang tingin ko yung light pwedeng heavy eh. Pwede makikuha mo ano ba? Ang bigat ka, di ba? Okay? Pero ba? Ano yung mga light activities? Okay? So, yung mga pang washing dishes, mga light lang yun eh. Okay? Pagka yung lifting appliances, yan. Kaya yung mga heavy tasks na yan. Getting into or out of a car. Okay? Depende kung ano sasakyan. No? Paano kung land cruiser yan? Ganito lang po umakit eh.
Tagit.
Ganito lang po ako. Ano pala, no? So, depende kung ano sasakyan. No? So tatanungin nyo rin, ano po ba sasakyan? Or kung wala naman sasakyan, so, anong gano'ng kataas? So you have to modify. What I'm explaining is, but this is serious Okay, this is serious kasi yung ibang clinic if abroad. Okay, meron pa silang training ng meron silang simulation ng car. May half ng car dyan para pabuksa, para
Yeah, man.
mag-train kung paano sila mag-transfer, mga ganun. No? Yun sana yung gusto kong pagawa nyo dito nun eh. May ganun. Kasi okay. Okay. So getting into or out of a car. Walking 2 blocks, walking a mile. Gano'n ba kalayo yung mile? Kasi hindi pa kilometers tayo. Hindi eh. Halos. Sobra yung isa. Definitely. Okay. Sige, check nyo. Ilang kilometers sa 1 mile? No. 1 point what?
1.609.
1.6. Yun o, 1.6. So parang higit pa sa 1.5 kilometro. Okay? So mind the kilometers or miles Okay, baka nagpa-ako kayo sa treadmill, nilagay nyo 6 lang kung kaya niya. 6 miles.
6 miles.
O, nasa 10 kilometers. Bakit ang bilis? Sabi, 6 kilometers lang. Okay, 6 miles pa yung nilagay mo. Okay, so going up or down 10 stairs. Okay, about 1 flight of stairs. And standing for 1 hour. You have to ask, saan ba kayo tumatay? For 1 hour. Okay, so you have to ask the activities, okay, where they perform standing for 1 hour. So, ano kaya mga tingin ng activities na pwedeng tumatay? Sorry, late ka sa mass. Wala kang maupuan, hindi nakatayo ka, 1 hour yung mass eh. Diba? Ano pa? Ano na? Commute. Oo. Oo, nasa bus. Okay, maski hindi ka nga humawak eh. Kakaklik kasi. No, skip. Alright, so pwede yan, no? Pag nagko-commute sa MRT or basta nakatayo. Okay, for 1 hour. Okay, so tingnan niyo rin, check niyo ang activity if that lasts for 1 hour. Okay, sitting for 1 hour, ayan, madami to. No? Okay, pumapasok sa school, ayan, 1 hour.
6 hours.
Running on uneven ground, making sharp turns while running fast. Okay, tanong nyo kung ginagawa nila yan eh, kung di naman nagja-jogging, paano siya? Diba? Okay, so paano nyo ma-estimate yun? So make sure that the patient are performing these, or at least what he or she thinks how difficult it is to if he or she will she's going to perform, no? Okay, so rolling or hopping and then rolling over the thing. So those are the 20 items, 20 tasks that you need to ask your patient, okay, how they perform and determine the level of difficulty. Okay, so that's one of the more important assessment, okay, for tips or for lower extremities. Okay. So before we do assessment, can you at least perform itong nauna natin set, yung 6. So at least you know, you can. Okay, the 6 items from standing to standing, ayun nga, facing close door. Okay, external rotation. Go. 5 minutes na. Kaya na yun.